Is Silchar outside India? Official Indian currency refused by shops, auto and cab drivers. Silchar is in shock. The official currency of India, a 10 rupee coin, is being refused by shops, auto rickshaw drivers and cab drivers across the city. When people ask why, the standard reply is chillingly simple. This coin is not in circulation. Citizens are forced to keep these coins locked away in their safes, unable to use them for basic purchases, even while living in India. Despite repeated complaints, the local administration has taken only pre-functionary steps. A notification was issued and a complaint helpline started. But where is the fear of punishment for those who defy the law? There is no major awareness drive from the state government or district authorities, and the elected representatives remain silent, as if Silchar has quietly slipped out of India's map. Citizens are now asking a critical question. Are we living outside India? We demand answers from local authorities and the state government. Why are citizens being denied the right to use India's legitimate currency? What action will be taken against those refusing to accept legal tender? When will a comprehensive awareness and enforcement campaign begin? The silence from the administration and elected representatives is deafening. The people of Silchar are left helpless, holding a currency that is accepted across the nation but lies invalid here. If this continues, one cannot help but ask, has Silchar really been written off as a part of India? This is Himadri Adhikari for CNN 24 News, Silchar.